So Jimmy John's app. So to install it on iPhone, you can just install it. And this app recently have some nice rewards program, which is pretty cool. That's why this app in top charts. So you can earn some nice rewards, app only. And you can earn this progress towards rewards and enjoy yummy sandwiches. You can earn and redeem exclusive rewards or participate in locations. Terms and conditions apply. Plus, track your order and receive notification when it's out for delivery or ready to pick up. Sign in, find a location near you, and that's the idea. So use from iPhone, iPad, or iPod. So that's the idea. So if you like this chain, just recommend to use the app. In a lot of apps, they have this now have app only rewards where you can just get them and get them fast. And yeah, so that's basically the idea.